Here comes Q031-26 eastbound. Going past Inglewood. Yeah, I chose a different spot. Try something new.
.26 eastbound track 2, or westbound track 2. Clear Tanglewood, locomotive 870.
Oh, westbound, Matt. Not eastbound. Sorry. 870, 875. Alright, I'm waiting for one more train, N753-25. He's at JD now. Well, should be at JD right now. So I'm probably gonna wait for him here. Or I might go back to what I was before. More likely I'll probably stay here, but I don't know. Man, what a feds.
The 753 eastbound 10 West Leg. Medium clear JD, locomotive 3422 on.
I knew that. Oh, a lot of people. Oh, I can forget going back to the GD section of the wire. He's coming through GD right now. Alright, see you guys in the next one.